Credit card sign-up bonuses are rewards offered by credit card issuers to entice new customers to sign up for their credit cards. These bonuses can come in the form of cash offers, points, miles, or other rewards offered by the card. These bonuses are offered if the customer meets a minimum spending amount within a certain time period after opening a new account. Sign-up bonuses can be worth hundreds of dollars and are generally non-taxable since the customer had to spend money to earn them. Customers should only pursue a sign-up bonus if they can meet the spending requirements and avoid carrying a balance on their card. So in this video, we are going to discuss understanding credit card sign-up bonuses. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Many credit cards offer a welcome bonus, which means new cardholders earn extra rewards, such as cash back, points, or miles when they use their card. To earn the bonus, you usually have to reach a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of opening your account. The threshold varies, but it can be anywhere from $500 to $5,000. Cashback cards usually require the lowest minimum spend with the best return rates, while travel rewards cards typically offer larger bonuses for reaching higher spending limits. Then there are the few cards, like the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card, which automatically awards you a welcome bonus of a $100 Amazon.com gift card upon account approval, no spending required. Below, Select takes a look at what a credit card sign-up bonus is, how it works, and how to benefit from one. What is a credit card sign-up bonus? You likely have seen a card issuer advertise welcome bonuses for their credit cards on their website or on mail offers you receive at home. They include language promising bonus points or a certain dollar amount of cash back when you sign up and spend on a certain credit card. These sign-up offers, also referred to as welcome bonuses, encourage you to open a credit card account and start using your card right away. How do sign-up bonuses work? The best credit cards offer alluring bonuses that can add hundreds back to your wallet, but you usually have to first spend money on your card in order to earn the bonus. On the bright side, this actually makes the bonus rewards you receive non-taxable income when it comes to doing your taxes since you had to earn them by spending money. Bonuses are considered a rebate, not a form of income. In addition to requiring a minimum spend, welcome bonuses come with time requirement as well. Most cards require that you spend anywhere from $500 to $5,000, and it usually must be charged onto your card within the first 3 months or 90 days of your account opening. After meeting the minimum spending requirement to earn your welcome bonus, how quickly the points or miles post to your account depends on the card issuer. For example, with the Capital One Save Your Own Cash Rewards credit card that lets new cardholders earn a one-time $200 cash bonus once spending $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. Once you qualify for the bonus, cash back is applied to your rewards balance within 2 billing cycles. With a travel rewards card, such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve that offers 60,000 bonus points after new card members spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening, worth up to $900 toward travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. The offer details state that after qualifying, please allow 6 to 8 weeks for bonus points to post to your account. If you are planning on using your welcome bonus to buy a specific purchase or plan a trip somewhere, be sure to take these time requirements into account. How to benefit from a sign-up bonus. Charging hundreds or thousands of dollars onto your credit card within a short period of time seems like an expensive way to earn rewards, but if you have a large purchase to make or an upcoming vacation to plan, a welcome bonus can actually come in handy. For instance, one financial expert we spoke to met the minimum spend on her new credit cards by charging her and her husband's wedding rings and the cost of a small wedding. The couple then used the cash back she earned from welcome bonuses to help offset the cost of their honeymoon. Of course, you should take processing fees into consideration. Some businesses charge 2% to 4% for credit card transactions, but if there are no extra fees, this method can be quite helpful when financing large purchases like trips. And once you do use your credit card to earn a welcome bonus, it's essential that you pay off any large balances quickly so you don't accrue interest that offsets the value. If you were to meet the minimum spending requirement of $4,000 within the first 3 months on the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can earn 60,000 welcome bonus points. This equates to $900 toward travel when redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. However, this value is almost negated entirely if you let that $4,000 balance sit unpaid for a year. Credit card sign-up bonuses are incentives offered by credit card issuers to encourage new customers to sign up for their credit cards. These bonuses usually come in the form of extra rewards, such as cashback, points, or miles when you use your card. To earn the bonus, you typically have to reach a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of opening your account. Understand what a credit card sign-up bonus is. A credit card sign-up bonus is an incentive offered by credit card issuers to entice new customers to sign up for their credit cards. To earn a sign-up bonus, you usually have to reach a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of opening your account. Determine the value of the bonus. When considering a sign-up bonus, it's important to determine its value. NerdWallet recommends following the rule of 3 and aiming for a sign-up bonus value that's equal to 3 years or more of the card's annual fee. Before signing up for a credit card with a sign-up bonus, be sure to read the fine print and understand the eligibility requirements. If a credit card offers bonus rewards for spending as part of its sign-up offer, those rewards will be earned as you use the card for purchases. Be sure to consider the ongoing rewards when evaluating the value of the sign-up bonus. Credit card sign-up bonuses can be a great way to earn extra rewards, but it's important to understand how they work and to consider the value of the bonus before signing up for a new credit card. Cashback or miles. Generally, sign-up bonuses come in 2 flavors: cashback and travel rewards. Travel rewards might be called points, dollars, or miles, but they all refer to the same thing: units of currency that you can use for specific purposes. Cashback. Generally, you can get your cash back as a statement credit or in check form. Some cards may offer you the option of depositing the rewards directly into your bank account. You may also be able to use your cash back to purchase gift cards, shop with merchants such as Amazon, or buy items through a rewards portal. Travel rewards. These bonuses can be a bit more complex. If your card is linked to a frequent flyer or hotel loyalty account, your bonus can be deposited right into that account. If you have a general travel rewards card, the bonus will be added to whatever point system that card has established. For example, Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal lets you use your points to book travel directly, buy gift cards, or pay for purchases with specific online merchants. You can even choose to turn them into cash back. Choosing the best one. The first thing to consider when choosing a sign-up offer is whether your budget will comfortably allow you to earn it. You could go on a spending spree to meet the requirements, but that's a bad idea. The last thing you want to do with a new credit card is start off being in debt. Instead, charge as many of your everyday expenses as you can and pay off your monthly balance on time. Consider the card's annual fee if there is one. Generally, the cards with the most valuable rewards carry the highest annual fees, although these fees are sometimes waived in the first year. If the sign-up bonus isn't worth any more than the annual fee, consider whether you're able to manage multiple cards simultaneously if you already have an open credit card. Keeping track of several cards and making sure each one is paid on time can be a chore. If you've got rewards to manage on top of that, you may have to keep track of expiration dates and other rules. It can get complicated very quickly. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.